सिर्फ ये दरख्वास्त है कि यहाँ से हर जो यहाँ पे आया हुआ है एक एक चीज़ लेकर प्लीज़ और मुझे गिफ्ट दें।
चॉइस बता दे सर।
मुझे ये भी चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए। तो आप हर जो एक चैनल वाला प्लीज़ मेरे लिए एक एक कुर्सी ले आए अलग अलग।
आपके दोस्त आमिर खान हज के लिए गए हैं, तो आपकी भी कोई तमन्ना है कि आप
यार ये रिलीजियस बातें, खुदा की बातें, ये सब विल टॉक लेटर प्लीज़। ऑनेस्टली दिस इज़ वेरी belittling when you talk like this.
आमिर जी क्या कहना चाहेंगे वो हज के लिए गए?
When you talk about a bioscope, when you look through it, there's a different world inside a bioscope. You know, it's totally colorful. अगर शाहरुख का bioscope बनाया जाए तो उसमें क्या क्या देखने मिलेगा?
Actually, that is the idea of this shop. Actually, I understood. I don't know if it's to be called a boutique or a shop or what. I'm sorry, I'm using the wrong name. But a designer studio. Whatever. I just feel that you know, she explained to me that it's like a kaleidoscope of colors and paintings. When you look through it, it's a world which is very different from, you know, seen from the outside. And it's riveting, it's exciting, it's exotic, and the shop and the designing looks like that. It looks very, very beautiful. But yeah, if you were to be able to see inside me, I think yeah, you'll see a little bit of love, you'll see a little bit of angst, a little bit of anger, a little bit of unforgiveness, a little bit of happiness, a little bit of sadness, a mix of everything. Yeah, you'll never see. I can't turn around and say you'll only see X. You'll see a little bit of grayness, blackness, whiteness, everything. I'm made up of a lot of things. Depends on the day which part I express. Sometimes it's really awful. Sometimes I think it's kind of okay. So it's like.
शाहरुख कौन सा गिफ्ट है जो शाहरुख आपको बहुत पसंद है, जो कभी किसी ने दिया हो आपको बहुत बेहद पसंद है?
आज तक आपने
I don't know. Yeah, I like books. I really like books. When people present me books on my birthday, I really like, and chairs which you're going to buy from here and put books on it.
कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पर।
Just like this is a grand setting. We are expecting a grand setting and atmosphere as far as the premiere of Jaan is concerned.
तेरा ऐसा किसी भी चीज को कहीं से कनेक्ट करके बात कर रहा हूँ। प्रीमियर की बात करने में बताता हूँ।
So if you can tell us what the plan is like. So we know
I don't know the design plan. I don't know. I think the ideology would be that, you know, he's celebrated. All his films have been celebrated, mostly by chance on Diwali. And the decision to have the premiere was actually before he passed away. And we were thinking how to do it. At that time, the idea was that, you know, we'll do different rooms and the different aspects of the cinema he's done, romance, thrill, and, you know, everyone can party all around the studio. I don't think we'll be doing it like this. There will be a big screen. Special sound system is being brought down by the specialists to make film watching possible in areas which are not regular studios. I think that's being put up. And yeah, so it'll be like I think a movie.